here. Is this everybody's first time out?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you picked a nice afternoon. Let's get out here and get after it. Watch out for your hats. Lost a few of them here. We are going to start with our art museums. We have 3 of them here in Winter Park, and none of them are open on a Monday. We're the best deal in town on a Monday. But we've got the Tiffany Art Museum up on North Park Avenue. It's the most comprehensive collection of Tiffany glass in the world, actually. The Cornell Rollins Museum we'll see in about 15 minutes or so over on the campus of Rollins College. That leaves us with the Alvin Plasek Museum on our right. Mr. Plasek, interesting guy, Czechoslovakian-born artist, moved to Winter Park in the early 50s. As a sculptor, he's credited with over 400 pieces of art in his lifetime, which I personally find pretty incredible because the man was in a wheelchair the last 13 years of his life, only had the use of his right arm due to a stroke. I mean, for a painter, that's one thing, but for a sculptor, that shows real dedication to his art, in my opinion. At his death in 1965, his widow donated his property to the city. This home was also donated to the city, but it was built in 1885 by James Capon across the lake. At the end of the tour, I'll point out and talk about Mr. Capon's homestead and a little bit more about the creative way they got that house across the lake to that location. This home was built by the Sinclair family of the Standard Oil Company back in the 1930s. They used to put that Dino the dinosaur statue out here on the beach when they were in town.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, I remember as a kid being about 15 feet tall, but it's only about 8 or 10 years old. You know how that is, probably only 5 or 6. So we have people ask, how did the Six Lakes come about? In 1870, a sawmill was built over at Dinky Dock, and that motivated the lumberjacks to get out and hand dig the 5 streams that connected the Six Lakes into canals to expedite their hardwood production and get it over to the sawmill for processing.
Oh, that's a nice overpass.
This is Palmer Bridge, takes us under Palmer Drive. Kind of nicknamed it the Orchid Bridge. Someone likes to put orchids under the trees here with Blue Bear. And that trees kind of put a hit on them. What do you think of that?
Oh, yeah.
I think my picture of this one, of this bridge, see how high he was in the middle of the fence there.
Oh, yeah.
Couldn't fit a kayak underneath there. For over a year I've been telling people this is my namesake up on the balcony here to the left, Mickey Mouse. About a month ago I noticed a skirt.
Oh,
That's Minnie Mouse.
that's pretty.
Throwing up a little Mickey's on the other end of the balcony there. I don't know, there's no one else that can touch that.
These are cool. They're like Oprah albums.
All the boathouses are separately deeded from homes across the street. On the right-hand side is Alabama Drive, runs through here, separating the two.
Oh, wow. Look at that. So which one's your house?
I just got over that foreclosure. Thanks for bringing that up. Now I gotta call my sponsor. Oh, it was tough.
Oh, yeah, the old Campbell house? No.
No, James Gamble Rogers.
Yeah. Yeah, they moved the house.
Because we moved the house, and that way you can still see the entrance way in gray.
Really? Boy, I learned something new every time I come out here.
No, we were just over there.
Yeah. Look at this. I just had this from the store, which you didn't have to do that to see anything that was in there. I was kind of perused, and it kind of takes you chronologically by year to year. And then,
Oh, wow.
The clock at the hotel, too.
Yeah.
go what?
To go look at the hotel?
Oh, yeah, the Alphon?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Ted Alphon's, the son of Harold's art collection is there. That's supposed to be spectacular. Harold sold the Dexter Shoe Company, and all the, I guess, the kids and siblings were all with a B after that sale.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So Lake Maitland, largest of the